Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to go and apply for Domino's Pizza delivery job. So guys, the first thing here that you'll need to do is go to the website of Domino's, where you can apply for jobs. So you need to go to jobs.dominos.com. Now, this is the website for global Domino's Global. You can of course go and click on different website for US, Canada, etc. So this is for global. So join the Domino's team, and here we have it, as you can see. Now here we have the store job, supply chain job, and we have the corporate office jobs. So now you have of course all the jobs here that you can apply to in Domino's, but of course you have career areas. So we have corporate, supply chain, stores. We can click on stores, and there of course you can go and apply, and of course chat to apply in the bottom right corner. Here we have, as you can see, pizza maker jobs and delivery driver jobs. You can click on here, and of course Domino's delivery driver job, as you can see, an exciting role for people are really going places. Domino's Pizza delivery is a food delivery driver job with the difference. You can of course see everything now, what you will get, the benefits and everything of the job. Here we have all of the things, which cars you will drive, etc. And of course, if you're satisfied, you can click on apply now. And here, of course, you can go and search for jobs, location, where you need it to, keywords, functions, apply filters, and then you can apply here. As you can see, we have a lot of Domino's stores here in the world. This is the US at the moment, and you can of course go and find the one that you want in your area, of course, where you are, and of course then apply for that one. Just click on the one and then click apply filters, click apply now, and that's basically that's how you can do it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, bye guys.